Hi, my name is Abdurrahman from Maple Systems, and I'll be going over the lower limit ladder instruction in this video tutorial. First, let's go over to an empty subroutine and hover over the Functions tab. Now place the lower limit ladder instruction on the first rung. Now that we know where the instruction is located and what it looks like, let's go over to screen number 6 and place the appropriate ladder logic subroutine on the right hand side of the screen. First of all, please review the moving average video tutorial for more information regarding the radio buttons that you see on the screen. In layman's terms, only one button is allowed to be turned on at any particular time. When it does, the button's particular coil will execute the move ladder instruction, and it will move a constant value to a particular register. When we increment or decrement input A or input B, it will change by a factor of the value in that particular register, which again is controlled by either a 1, a 5, or a 10 button. Notice rung number 4. The B0 coil is always turned on, so the lower limit ladder instruction executes on every scan. Register D600 is operand A, input A, or the value that's going to be constantly changing. Register D601 is operand B, input B, or a constant value that represents the lower limit. Register D602 is operand C, output C, or the value determined by the ladder instruction. If the value in operand A is greater than operand B, then operand A's value will be stored in operand C. If the value in operand A is less than operand B, then operand B's value will be stored in operand C. Now let's go over to an HMC and review this instruction. On the HMC, if input A is a greater value, let's see what happens. Well, the output C is the same as input A. If input A is less than input B, let's see what happens. Output C is the same value as input B. Hence the name lower limits represented by input B. And that concludes our video tutorial. For more information, please contact Maple Systems or visit us online at maplesystems.com.